Hello everyone, so my name's Anna Grajales. For those that do not know me yet, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. Amazing creator of all these amazing superheroes that we follow, we love, we cry with is not here with us anymore. And I said, you know what? I want to do something to honor him. So I decided to do a makeup tutorial inspired in Captain America. This is my first time doing like a makeup like this, so I don't know what's gonna happen, and I'm so excited, and I hope you guys just stick with me throughout this whole video. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put some serum on my face. I use a serum from Clinique that I love just because it dries really fast. And it helps makeup look really nice. Now I put some primer on my eyes and also on my face because I want this makeup to last a long time, or at least until the video ends, because this is going to be challenging, so let's do it. Okay, so for this step, we need tape. I didn't have the one that they usually sell at Sephora, which is specifically for the face or to do makeup. So what I did is that I grabbed the tape and I put it a few times on my arm just so that I wasn't that sticky, because the area of the eyes is so sensitive that you don't want to put tape that is way too sticky, because then it'll be hard for you to remove it and you can hurt your eye or maybe even like pull some hairs, and we don't want that. So just take your time in this step and do that. Okay, so the most important thing about this part specifically, well, what you need to do is cut the little stripes of tape the width that you want your lines to be. So I wanted them to be like in different sizes just to create that illusion of like a flash on my eyes. So I did thicker lines on the outside, and then as I started going towards the inner part of the eye, I cut the stripes a bit thinner. Okay, so you guys didn't see this, but I'm going to tell you. So when I started putting my the first eyeshadow, I wanted to start with like a white base, but then I forgot to wash my brushes. That's why it's so important. So my brush had like a darker color, so it kind of changed my makeup a bit. So I had to start with a darker color. So I started with the blue that I just showed you guys, and then I started incorporating the darker shades, and that's when I used this blue. But as you can see, the blue by itself, it wasn't really getting that strong color. So what I did is that I added some white lines with my white pen, and then this helped me so that the blue could actually stick, and that week when we were able to get this really dark amazing blue that I wanted. So I don't know if I told you guys, but my inspiration for this makeup was actually the shield of Captain America. Oh my god, because to me it symbolizes protection, it symbolizes strength. So I'm like, you know what, I want to do a makeup tutorial inspired in his shield, because I find it like a very symbolic element in his, you know, overall look. So it's very important for you to choose colors that would actually create like a contrast kind of, because if they're too similar, then you won't be able to create this effect when you remove the lines, the little tapes. It'll just blend in, and we don't want that. We want those lines to actually be there. So choose your colors wisely. Also, okay, so once you're done, you're going to be cleaning the area of the eyes, because we were using this really dark eyeshadow. So and we don't want our foundation to have like little spots or anything like that. So clean it well. Okay, so now you're going to be adding a bit of concealer on the little spaces that were left when we took off the tape. So I wanted to tell you guys that actually when I did my other eye, I discovered that it was easier for me just to add the white base before even putting the tape. So then when you remove the tape, it's actually easier for you to add the white, and you don't have to do this extra step of adding the concealer. But of course, this is a learning process and we're learning, so I wanted to obviously leave this here so you guys can learn with me as well. So we're gonna take the eyeshadow all the way to the eyebrows, and also I started adding a bit of white on the inner part of the eye just to add a little bit of silver as well. And you know, I was just exploring with this makeup. It's actually my first time doing like this type of makeup, so for me it's been like such an amazing learning process, and just discovering what you can do with makeup, it's obviously unbelievable. So if you guys have seen my videos, you'll know that I'm an expert at just hiding myself behind something. So if it's not a mirror, I just, you know, disappear from the camera, or I find another small mirror and then I just hide myself behind it. You know, I sometimes forget that I'm actually like recording myself, so I just, you know, get into it and totally forget. But I'm sure we'll fix this, you know, as we just, you know, keep creating more content. I'll fix it eventually, hopefully, right? So I want to take the time, since right now I'm just adding some powder and just making a little corrections and just fixing a few things on my eyes. I want to read to you guys this amazing quote, and I want you guys to keep it very close to your heart. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. So this is totally my favorite part and also my least favorite part. Just because something always happens with my eyeliner. I don't know if this happens to you, but it definitely happens to me. But I just love the effect, like when you add eyeliner, it just gives life to the makeup. So this is the case for this makeup specifically, but my eyeliner was a little dry, so it took me, you know, a few tries, but I was able to do it. And now I'm adding red. You know, red symbolizes love, but it also symbolizes strength, and I feel like this is something that definitely symbolizes what Captain America as a superhero is. Okay, so I have to say that I went crazy with the blue mascara. I actually didn't buy this for this makeup. I actually bought it a long time ago by mistake. And then when I discovered I was using blue mascara, I was like, oh my god, it's blue! But it worked out perfect for this makeup. So if you guys loved this video, or if you didn't, please leave your comments below. I'm dying to read what you have to say. Also tell me, who's your favorite superhero? I want to read all about it. Also turn on your notifications and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you next Thursday at 5 p.m.